Finally, Vuyokazi, she is leaving the country to move to the UK to be with her husband. Guys, there was no way Utolani can come back after all the drama, the shindi that is currently going on. Anyway, guys, so this is what Vuyokazi posted on her Instagram account to say that, guys, I am done and I'm leaving the country. Anyway, guys, before we get to the story of today, you know the rules of the house. So many pins and Vasile, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe it, to like it, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. So, guys, this is what the video guys posted on her Instagram story just 1 hour ago. Guys, there's no way you can post your passport if there's something, if you're not going anywhere. Over guys, she's leaving the country. Remember that it's very hard for Xolani to come to South Africa after all the shende, abo mashonisa, abo baby mama drama. So if you guys have probably decided to say that, you know what, let me go and meet my husband. I am tired. Maybe Vuyokazi, she's trying, for people to forget about yesterday's drama, because Vuyokazi paid 3,000 rand for child maintenance to Xolani's baby mom, and people are really, really worried about Vuyokazi, saying that Vuyokazi, she will end up being the breadwinner in this relationship if she doesn't act smart. She needs to sit down and have a conversation with her husband about finance, because her husband is currently in the UK and she is working as a chef. Obviously, he's a making man. Vuyokazi does not have a job. She depends on content creator. We don't know how much they've paid in Zingani's temple. Guys, there's too much going on, you guys. So do you think Vuyokazi, she's trying to trend to cause a drama, or maybe she indeed moving to the UK? Because trust me, why would you post your passport? Maybe it's a way of telling us that, guys, I got my passport today and maybe sooner I will be leaving this country. Anyway, guys, send me in the conversation. What do you think? Do you know if you subscribe it, to like it, comment.